Hey guys, my name is Akin and welcome to BTech Caricature. So in this video, I brought you a lot of opportunities from different companies. So let us dive into that. So the first company is Arman. So they have released for Java Intern. Okay. So Java Intern position, and here you go with the location is Bangalore and job family, general and administrative. And worker type preference is intern, fixed term and trainee or intern. So you'll be hiring as an intern, and then later based on your performance, you can negotiate to have a PPO. Okay. So let us see the job description. So we are looking for a software engineer intern to take part of the software development lifecycle involving proof of concept work. Okay. So responsibilities to take part coding and troubleshooting. Okay, I missed something. So troubleshooting to take part unit testing and integration testing. So requirements and skills: degree in computer science and similar disciplines, knowledge on Java and loops concepts, basic knowledge on SDLC, Agile, experience in troubleshooting problems, good communication skills. So in case if you have these skills and in case if you are good interested to have a role in Java, just click on apply now. Okay. So there are 3 steps to that you need to follow. First, initially you need to upload your resume and then your personal information, and at last review and click on submit button. That's it. You'll be applying for Arman for Java intern portion. And the next one which I brought is from the CapitalOne. So they have released data science intern and the location is Bangalore. So this is for the all batches like 2021 to 2025. Any batch you can apply, and the salary would be around 6 to 9 lakhs per annum. Okay. So let us go to the job specifications, and so manages solution development from start to finish, problem definition, data identification and cleaning, data analysis and statistical modeling, recommendations to senior management, implementation and monitoring solutions, consult with business partners to develop and implement statistical solutions, develop project plans and manage exceptions, deliveries, results through self and okay. So as simple as that. So as a data science intern, you will be mostly engaging with like feeding the data to the model and getting insights like visualization, etc. And you need to write a report. Okay. So in case if you're interested, click on apply here. So as it is a work day, initially it will be asking you to log in. So in case if you don't have an account in the work day, just create an account in the CapitalOne and then fill all the details and submit application. That's it. You'll be applying for CapitalOne for data science intern. And the next one which I brought you is from the Cloud SDK. This is for the intern SDE Internship 1. The location is Bangalore. The qualification is BTech and MTech, and the salary package would be around 35 to 45,000 per month. Okay. So let us see the responsibilities. So coordinating with development teams to determine application requirements, writing scalable code using Python programming language, design and build web crawlers to scrape data from different sources, testing and debugging applications, developing backend components, integrating data storage solutions. So requirements are, as they mentioned, Python, good knowledge on databases, willing to learn new things, strong logical and analytical skills, knowledge in web scraping tools is added, and knowledge in Flask is added an advantage. That's it, guys. So in case if you are interested for this SE1 role, location is Bangalore and 35 to 45k per month. So fill all the details here like your first name, your last name, email address, your phone number, attach your CV here, and what is your current CTC. In case if you are fresher, just fill 0. In case if you are working in any other company, just enter the current CTC that you are receiving and then click on submit button. That's it. You will be applying for SE1 from the SEK. So the next one which I brought you is from the Assetin Technologies 2024 off-campus registrations. Like, so dear student, we are excited to extend an invitation for the upcoming off-campus hiring at Assetin. It's a fantastic opportunity to learn more about our organization and explore potential career opportunities. Excuse me. So registration timeline is 20 April to 10th May. So the till 10th May you have the time to apply for this, and interview locations will be Bangalore, Chennai, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai and Pune. So interview type is in person. So eligibility, let us see. So BTech any branch, and you need to have a 75% or 7.5 CGPA overall with no active backlogs. Communication and interpersonal skills, passion of technology, good understanding of data structures and algorithms, good understanding of programming concept, proven written knowledge transfer material, knowledge of any programming languages, Java, C, C++, Python, working knowledge of databases and web applications, front end and back end is a plus, ability to switch context easily, enthusiastic to lead and passionate to perform. So selection process includes profile screening, online test, technical interview and HR interview. So the profile screening will be done online by them, and then online test will be conducted to mails, and they will be sending you the platform to write. And then after that, they will be conducting 2 interviews, like technical interview and the HR interview, which will be in the offline, in-person interviews. Okay. So in case if you are interested for this role, just fill all these details in the provided in the form. So for that, first we need to select your prefix and then enter your full name, your gender, your date of birth, your personal email address, so campus email ID like your college ID, and your contact number, alternate mobile number, permanent address, and select your state from the bottom. Okay, this city, pin code, nationality, Indian. Okay, and click on next. So there are different modules, different input fields that you need to fill to eligible for this position. Just fill it carefully. Okay, and as I can't proceed further, I will be stopping it here, but I will be pasting the link in the description box, guys, just to apply for that. As I know, the salary package would be around 7 to 9 lakhs per annum, and it's a very good opportunity for all the batches to apply for. Okay, so the last opportunity which I brought you for today is from the Cognizant. They have released for trainee junior data analyst, and this is for the batch 2019 to 2023. The salary package would be around 4 lakhs per annum. So let us see the business and customer. So minimum customer interaction under guidance, understanding domain, process, sub process, functions, terminologies. And for PV complaint management, individuals in this role perform data entry of data received from the source document into the respective clinical safety databases. While performing this activity, the associate is responsible for meeting turnaround times and accuracy. Okay, nothing nature. So let us go through here. You need to have I don't know how to pronounce this. Let's just leave. So PV case processing, I too don't know. So job safety, day job and travel no, and the post job is August 2022 job posting. Oh my god, I think there is a mistake in that. So in case if you are interested, just click on apply now. And privacy notice, just click on proceed. So it is asking you to upload your resume. Just fill that and then fill the personal information, your first name, your last name, email address, your contact number, your PAN number, and previously employed by Cognizant. In case if you are previously worked in a company, worked in Cognizant, just select yes or else no. And your, so in case if yes, just fill the employee ID, or else if it is no, it is directly blocking. No need to worry. So total experience, select the total experience which you are having and your skills, and click on next. And there are few more input fields. After you click on next, and just fill all those up, and then apply for this job. So guys, I'll be placing all these links in the description box, guys. Do feel free to apply as soon as possible. And also I'll be placing some cool deals in the description box, like Python books or any kind of online tools that are used in our daily life. So in case if you are interested, just do buy them, or just have a look at the products. In case if you want, just buy them. So that's it in this video, guys, and let us catch in another video. For till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.